Hi guys, what's up? Randy is a night guard of the amusement park and sent his story of the one night of himself and send it for me. I inviting you to see this story. And let's go.
Hi, my name is Randy, and I'm a security guard at an amusement park. I actually enjoy working here. It's a cheerful place most of the time, but lately, strange things have started happening. Things I can't explain. One night, while everyone was playing and the ride were lit up, suddenly the entire park went dark. No warning, no reason, just darkness. A few weeks later, when I'd almost forgotten about it, something something else happening during my shift. I heard a weird sound, loud, distant, unusual. I couldn't tell where it came from or what made it. And then, a few days later, I saw something at the Ferris wheel. Something standing up there at the very top. I couldn't see its face or shape clearly, but I swear it wasn't human. Thanks for listening to my story.
Second story is sent from Lily, and I invite you to see this second story. I hope you enjoy it.
Me too.
Hi, my name is Lily. I love driving out into nature, open roads, fresh air, quiet forests. When I get here, I always like to explore on foot, just wandering whatever I want. But once, on one of my trips, I found an old Victorian house hidden among the trees. It looked mysterious and beautiful, and I was too curious to ignore it. The front door was unlocked, so I stepped inside. The walls were covered with amazing paintings, all so old and elegant that I couldn't stop looking. Then I suddenly felt a breeze by my ear and a whisper, "Get out." It scared me, but I tried to shake it off. Near the fireplace, I found some papers. They looked like letters. I read one of them. "Dear Mother, I'm leaving this place. Everything here is strange. The crowds, the howling wolves, and a voice kept telling me to go." That was it. I ran out, jumped into my car, and drove away as fast as I could.
So, what do you think about Lily and Randy's stories? And what do you think about them? Please leave the comments and like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching us. Until next up, goodbye.